we will do a cord cutting from your father. Any unhealthy bond which is not contributing to the upliftment is a kind of baggage, but you deserve to fly free from any kind of baggage. So that's why it's important. There is no emotional wound left within yourself. In this divine environment where you are present as a soul, you are present as a consciousness, as a living entity which is running your body. Now just visualize your father as a soul, because we are working at energy level, we are working at consciousness level, we are working at divine level. So just visualize your father in front of you in this divine environment. In this divine environment, just visualize your father. He's standing in front of you, and you are not judgmental here, because we are not talking in terms of body, we are talking in terms of energy. Your father is itself a energy. He has its own limitation. He has its own wound. Your father has its own wounds. So visualize your father as a soul, that he is also a soul on a journey, and he has its own emotional wounds. He has its own limitation. He has a different life from you completely. So you have to acknowledge that he is also a soul on journey, and in this lifetime the equation was like you were a son and he was a father. Just look at your father, look at him, just visualize him the way he is, the way his hairs are, the way his face, neck and shoulders, and the complete body, feet. And just repeat these sentences within yourself, just within yourself, that dear father, I acknowledges you. I acknowledges your presence in front of me. I can witness this bond within us, the bond which is not that much healthy, a bond which is becoming a baggage. I can feel you and me connected through an umbilical cord, because you people are connected with each other from love, from expectations, arguments, issues, different opinion. It's mean between you and your father there has been an energy exchange. He hold a different set of expectations from you, and you hold a totally different set of expectations from your father. He has a different dimension of life, and you have totally different way of life. You people are connected, there is a huge energy exchange, there is resentment, there is emotional damage. Feel that umbilical cord which is connecting you from your father. Feel that rope, that umbilical cord, that divine cord which is connecting you to your father. You are connected to your father from that bond, the bond of happiness. There was happiness at some point of a time when you were a child. There was crying. You were crying because of your father, some argument, some resentment. You can see yourself as a student when you're going to school and your father were paying your school fee. It was not always driven by hatred. It was not always driven by resentment. There was also some good time. Overall, this bond is between you and your father, and you can feel that connection. Just go in your childhood and see those moments when you were happily connected to your father, and also witness with grace, with dignity, the moment when you were not happy with your father. Witness each and every moment in your childhood, first of all. Just look for those moments. Revisit your moments. Revisit the both kind of moments where you were happy because of your pa, that he is okay, he's a okay man, good man. And because he is a human being, he has his own limitation. Maybe he is carrying his share of emotional wound from any situation which we are not aware of. So also witness the moment when you were not happy because of your father. You are now in a certain level of neutrality. You're not judgmental here. You at a soul level, just witnessing all the moments, happy and sad, the joy and resentment. Just witness all these moments when you were a kid, and then move forward to your adult age. And in this time zone also, revisit all those moments when you were happy, even it was happiness of only 1 second or a 0.1%. And also revisit the moment when you were completely broken because of a statement given by your father, when you were shattered completely, your energy was drained. Revisit every energy exchange, whether happy or sad. Revisit. Because in this revisit, you are acknowledging your connection, your energy exchange with your father. Acknowledgement is the first step. And as we see that always we have focused on the negative things because we were hurted by that. Yet in the childhood, yet in the adulthood, maybe there have been moments of neutrality, the moments of happiness. Even it was 0.1%. But our focus has been like this. We were in a more of a hurtful situation, which created an emotional wound within us. And today, we will set you free and set your father free. The way you have negative energy from your father is also receiving the same quality of energy from you. Just acknowledge it. The way you feel about your father is the similar way, somewhere of similar quality, your father feel about you, the energy he is receiving from you. Now we are dealing at soul level, so we can't be judgmental. We will just only witness the things which are happening, because we here not to judge the things. We are here to remove the wounds which are a burden for you and your father too. So visit in your childhood, in your adulthood, every moment, again and again, again and again. Live those moments again with a sense of neutrality, with a sense of neutrality. In this divine environment, you're witnessing your father, you're visualizing him the way he is. Feel yourself being connected to your father through this umbilical cord, the cord of expectations, resentment, anger, somewhere love, somewhere care a little bit. And now we are asking the divine to set us free. Again, revisit the past, because this is the last time you are visiting your past in this way. This is the last time. We are revisiting the past because we will set it free. After today, you will not carry any kind of complaint against your father. After today, that's why you are revisiting the past. We have to release expectations, the wounds, the complaints, the emotional loss, because that is not serving us right now in any manner. That's only consuming our energies. That's only consuming our energies, taking taking us two step backward. So it's necessary that you revisit every moment and see what's happening there. We are just guiding ourselves. Maybe in a one session you release all the resentment against your father, and maybe in a two or three session it will take. But we are starting our journey, that we have to release this bond. We have to release these unmet expectations which are only burdening us. Feel the divine environment where you will present it as a soul, your father in front of you. Look into the eyes of your father and say, I'm sorry. Say, I'm sorry, Pa.
I'm sorry.
Knowingly, unknowingly, I have hurted you also.
Knowingly or unknowingly, I've hurted you
Also.
also,
And you did so.
and you did as well.
Yeah. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Because I don't want to driven by all these negative elements.
I don't want to be driven by these negative elements and thoughts.
Yes. I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you.
And thank you.
All the things you have done for me in the childhood when I was a kid, and even today, the the place where I'm living, the property which you have given me, the support, even it is not completely enough, but still, you being present as a father is a strength somewhere.
I'm thankful for everything that you have done for me as a child, and even today, you know what you provide, even though it's not enough, but still, what you've provided, I'm grateful for that.
Yeah, because your father is a strength for you somewhere. You can't deny this. His presence makes you feel more powerful. Just imagine your life without your father. It will be completely different. You're not, you will not like it. Even if you are not having a great relationship with your father, but just feel the life in a different dimension where you are living without your father. So there is no point of holding the grudges. It's far better to let go the past. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. I love you. I can't deny this fact. I'm hurt because I have certain expectations, and I am having expectations because somewhere I'm driven by love. I feel a certain level of hug on you, a certain level of ownership on you. I feel that I deserve this kind of a love from you. So obviously, I hold love to you. So I love you.
Yeah, I, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I feel a sense of ownership towards you, and your presence also makes me feel very strong. And somewhere deep down within, I have a strong sense of ownership towards you, and I love you.
That's the reason you love your father, because you have a sense of ownership that you are my father. I deserve the love from your side. You have to love me. And the underlying fact is because I love you. That's why I'm expecting. I'm not expecting this kind of a support from my neighbor, from my relative. Why I'm expecting this kind of a support from you? Because I love you. I'm your kid. Whatever you're feeling, frame yourself in this four statement. I'm sorry, knowingly, unknowingly, I have hurted you. I am acknowledging this fact. So I'm sorry for this. Maybe in the past, karma, I have done something wrong. Maybe. So I'm sorry.
I'm
And
sorry.
yes, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Find every statement, whether I'm saying I love you, whether I am saying please forgive me, whether I'm saying thank you so much, we are completing every statement with a reason, which is a meaningful reason. We have to give the reason that why we are sorry. We are sorry because somewhere we have also not met your expectations. You as a father also have some expectation from your son, and maybe I have failed to provide so. So I'm also sorry somewhere. I'm not driven by ego here. I have to acknowledge it. So I'm sorry, please forgive me. And thank you, the things which you have done for me. Thank you. Go in the feeling of being thanks. Go in the feeling of being sorry. Go deep down in the feeling of I love you. Because you have your own reason to love your father. I know there is resentment. I know there is resentment. I know there is anger. I know there is pain, but still you love your father. You can't deny this fact that oh I don't love their company. I don't want to talk to them. I don't want to share my feelings. But somewhere deep down, the underlying fact is that you really love your father. Resentment is a part of this whole story. Anger is a part of this story. But this is not a story in itself that, oh, you were totally driven by the anger and pain. So, at a soul level, at a conscious level, we are looking at your father that he is also a soul on a journey. He has his own journey. He's not on this planet for forever. So, acknowledge this fact he is a soul. When you are considering him as an energy level, when you deal with him as an energy level, you will driven by less resentment that he is a soul, he is on his own journey, and maybe I'm not complete. Maybe at after 20 years, when my son will have different issues against me, they will have their own story of resentment that my father didn't so. Maybe they will driven by their own amount of pain, their own share of pain. So being father is not that much easy. Being father is not that much easy because you are also a father of two kids. So that's why it's very urgent to release that unfulfilled expectations and resentment. Are you able to resonate with each and every line that we are saying right now?
Yes.
So close
Yes.
your eyes
I
and
think that.
close your eyes and go in the divine environment again. Visualize your father in front of you. because you because you are resonating with each and every line, so we will do this ho'oponopono for the next 5 minutes continuously, because we know why we are saying I love you, we know why we are saying I'm sorry, why we are saying thank you. So have your heart, hand on a heart chakra. I'm sorry,
I'm sorry.
please forgive me,
Please forgive me.
thank you,
Thank you.
and I love you.
I love you.
Go in the feeling deep down, very relaxed. Take a deep breath. Visualize your father in front of you. You are looking into his eyes and say, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you.
Again, take a deep breath, look into the eyes of your father, and go in this divine environment. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
Thank you.